Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Nisha here. So today I'm here with a snack recipe, that is bread samosa. So for that we need some bread slices and some shredded chicken. I just cooked it with turmeric powder, salt and pepper powder as per your taste and just shredded it roughly. So let's start. First we will be preparing the filling for the samosa. Now for that I have heated a pan over here. Into it I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Now using over here vegetable oil, and then goes in some chopped onions. I used over here 2 medium onions. Give it a good stir. Then after sauteing it for 1 to 2 minutes, I'll be adding the crushed ginger and garlic. I used over here 1 small piece of ginger and 5 to 6 of garlics. Just give it a good stir. To it I'll be adding few curry leaves also. Goes in some fennel seeds. I used over here 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Saute it until it becomes light golden color. Now into it I'll be adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute it until the raw smell disappears. Smell has disappeared. I'll be adding our cooked meat into it. After this, we'll be adding garam masala as per your taste. Next, pepper powder as per your taste. Just give it a good mix. We just cook it for another 3 more minutes. Adding needed salt, just a little bit. Now into it we'll be adding some chopped coriander leaves. Now our filling is ready over here. You can see. Now to prepare the outer part, I have cut the sides of the bread, the brown part, and then just separated it. This one I will be crushing it in the mixer for the breadcrumbs. The brown part into the crusher. Our breadcrumbs is ready over here for the coating. Now I have beaten up an egg also over here. I have taken a bread over here and I will be just cutting it into a slanting way so that I get 2 triangles, and then placing my filling on one bread, just a little bit of filling. Okay, and then using the other bread, I'll just close it up. Just press it with your hand nicely. Okay. Next, we'll just dip it in the egg mixture first on all the sides like this. First this side, and then okay, and this goes into our bread mixture. Just cover it like this, and then the sides. Okay, and then using your both hands, just give it a shape to it. Just press it lightly. Just like this. Okay, we have covered all the sides. Similarly, we will be repeating it for the other breads also. Our bread samosa is ready to be deep fried. So here's our crispy bread samosas ready. You can see it's very crispy. So I hope you all like my video. Please do like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.